Hi guys, right, trying this for the second time because I recorded it all and then my voice just completely disappeared. There was a video of me in the corner and the voice disappeared. So I'm recording this for the second time. So second time, and I hope it works. So it says finding half of a number using jottings. So yesterday you did it where you found half of a number using objects. So you had spoons. Emma was eating jelly beans to find half. But today we're going to do it by using jottings. Okay, so remember, a half is one of two equal parts. And all you're going to need today is your paper or your workbook and a pencil and a pen. Right. Okay, so the same slide that I just showed you yesterday, just with half of 2D shapes to show you that it must be equal. So half is one of those two equal parts, but two of those halves put together makes a whole. Okay, this one's same as yesterday as well, but I managed to move my head down. So I moved my head down the screen, but I didn't manage to actually record my voice. So there you go. Right, so it says we can also write half like this. So it's 1, and then there's a line, and underneath it is the number 2, because it's showing you that half is one of two equal parts. So I know you did it again yesterday, but we're just going to try it today so we really know what it looks like. So can you have a go at writing that half symbol 5 times on your piece of paper? I'm going to give you 10 seconds. So 10. And stop. I wonder if you managed to write it 5 times in 10 seconds. Okay, next one. So yesterday we did it with objects, today we're going to draw it. So you may well remember that we did some of this in our little blue maths meeting books. So what you're going to need to do first is draw 2 circles in your book. Remember, they don't want to be too big, but you also don't want them too small because you need to going to draw in them. So if you just draw 2 circles on your piece of paper or in your workbook, whatever you're using, and then we'll be ready for the next number. Okay, so we're using the number 6. Now yesterday when you did it, we had the stars already out. Now when you're halving using jottings, you don't have the number to begin with to then halve. You have to have that number in your head and must remember it in your head because that's the number that you stop at. So instead of having the stars out, you're going to draw and stop at 6, and you'll need to remember that that's going to be the number 6. So we'll do it together because I did it as stars going in here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, don't worry, on the next slide it does it again. So I tried to, but my computer didn't like it. Go from one circle to the next circle, back again, back again. So moving equally from circle to circle and stopping at the number 6. Okay, let's see if it will be a bit more successful this time. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aha, that's better. So half is one of those 2 equal groups. So half of 6 is 3. Perfect. Now this is a little bit of a challenge for the numbers that you're going to do. So at the top it says when we find half, we are dividing / sharing into 2 equal groups. And the divide symbol looks like this. So the divide symbol looks like a line that's got a full stop at the top and a full stop at the bottom. So just like that means add, that means take away, that means multiply. The divide symbol is a line with a dot at the top and a dot at the bottom. Okay, and it just means sharing out. So it says, so if we have found half of 6 by sharing it equally into 2 equal groups, we get 3. So we started with the number 6. The divide symbol says that we shared it between. The 2 is that we shared it between 2 equal groups, and in each equal group was 3. So 6 shared between 2 groups is 3. Right. So these are the numbers that you're going to halve today. It says, can you halve these numbers by sharing them into equal groups using jottings? So you've got number 10, 16, 12, 8, 20, 24 and 18. Now just put a little remember list, just like I did yesterday. It says draw 2 circles. Remember, they don't want to be too big, but they don't want to be too small. You need to draw all your jottings really clearly. So share your number equally between circles. So make sure each time you're moving from one circle to the other. Okay, take your time with it. You don't need to rush. And then to find half, you need to look at how many in each circle. And if you can challenge yourself to write the division number sentence as well, that would be amazing. Right, remember to upload it onto your Dojo portfolio for 5 dojos. Look forward to seeing them. Bye.